So welcome, and today we're going to look at longest words in Luganda and English. Ebigambo ebiwanvu mu Luganda ne mu Luzungu. But please, before we start, don't forget, if you would like to have any herbal medicine, herbal drugs, herbal soap, herbal lotion, contact Dr. Mokwaya. The number is on screen. Dr. Mokwaya, his number is there. So, longest words. What do I mean by longest words? Longest words, words which have many letters and they are somewhat difficult to pronounce, but today we're going to soften them and you're going to understand what they mean in Luganda and English. Okay, so let's get started. Number one, we have a word called ombonyabonya. Ombonyabonya. Ubonyi. Ubonyi. Yes. Ombonyabonya. Bobonyi. It's easier to pronounce. Can you repeat after me? Remember, we looked at how to combine letters to formulate words in English and Luganda. Twasoma kungeje tugatta ennyukuta okufunamu ekigambo mu Luzungu ne mu Luganda. Oh, but before I forget, here at Beni 2178 we learn English and Luganda, of course. Also, there is another channel called at Beni 9531. This one we learn only English with ease. Let's proceed. Let me rub off this because I know they don't carry any meaning for now. Okay, this is the word ombonyabonya bobonyi. What does it mean? If you say ombonyabonya bobonyi, it's a Luganda word. Let's count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 letters. 24 letters. It's a Luganda word. It means ombonyabonya bobonyi kitegeeza ki? If someone says ombonyabonya bobonyi, what do you mean? So, ombonyabonya bobonyi, it means being mistreated by someone. Being mistreated by someone in English. Let's have an example. Why are you mistreating me? Ben is mistreating you. And you say, why are you mistreating me? Lwaki ombonyabonya bobonyi. Lwaki is why. Remember, we looked at using why. So why is lwaki in Luganda. So ombonyabonya bobonyi. Why are you mistreating me? So being mistreated in Luganda, it means ombonyabonya bobonyi. Hope we are together. So that is one of the longest words in Luganda. Being mistreated by someone, ombonyabonya bobonyi. Let's go to number 2. Number 2 we have, let me first rub off this. Okusirika. What does it mean? Okusirika. If someone says, "Wachi osirika?" Why are you being quiet all the time? So okusirika is being too quiet. Are we together? Being too quiet. Someone is too quiet, is somewhat humble, but too humble to the extent where there is need for him or her to talk, is too quiet. So omuntu oyo aba asirika. So inzo mubuza, why are you too quiet? Wachi osirika? Tulifena osirika. Being too quiet, extraordinarily quiet. Wachi osirika. Doza tukategeddako. Okay, let's go to the third word. We have okulamaga. Is the action that is being performed by people, mainly those in Uganda and neighboring countries. They come to Uganda. They go to Namugongo, where the Uganda martyrs were killed from, to express their loyalty and faith to God. So okulamaga is the action that people perform by walking. They go on foot. So they walk by walking to Namugongo to express their faith in God. Their faith in God. So okulamaga abantu batambuza bigere paka Namugongo okulaga obwetwaze bwabwe oba n'essuubi lyabwe mu Katonda kwaba bagenze kusaba. They have gone for prayers. So okulamaga mu Luganda kutambula olugendo okugenda Namugongo ku bigere oli mu kulamaga. Tuli fenna. So the action that people perform by walking on foot to Namugongo to express their faith in God is what we call okulamaga in Luganda. Tuli fenna. So oli awo akugamba nga lwaki olamaga mainly abategeeza lwaki otambuza bigere mu lulimi Oluganda. Tuli fenna. So okulamaga kitegeera kikolwa abantu kye bakola nga bagenda Namugongo ku bigere kye bayita okulamaga. Okay, let's proceed with the fourth word. We have obunyiikivu. 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 Double I because it is prolonging the sound. Obunyiikivu. What is obunyiikivu? Obunyiikivu is to be devoted towards what you are doing. What you are doing. Onyikira. So obunyiikivu, you are devoted, being persistent towards what you are doing. And also obunyiikivu is consistency. Consistency towards what you are doing, being consistent and loving, devoted to what you are doing. Kyebayita obunyiikivu mu Luganda. Waki onyiikidde nnyo? Nina obunyiikivu ku mulimu gwange. I am devoted towards my work. Nina obunyiikivu ku mulimu gwange. Ndowooza tuli fenna. Okay, let's go on to the fifth word. We have okunanaagira. 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 Okunanaagira in English, it means to stammer. To stammer. To stammer. To stammer, not squatting down, but speaking in clicks, if I can say. You speak out a word, but you speak it in clicks like na 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 na. You're trying to say out a word, but you are stammering. So that is what we call okunanaagira mu Luganda. Okunanaagira mu Luzungu kiyitibwa to stammer or stammering. Stammering. Why are you stammering? Waki onanaagira? Stammering. This is the present continuous tense of stammer is the verb. Looked at verb stammering. To stammer. So we looked at how to use verbs and nouns in English and Luganda. So okunanaagira kitegeeza okwogera nga ebigambo olwawo pronouncing ekigambo olwawo okwatula ekigambo due to stammering. Okunanaagira. The sixth word is okubumbujja. 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 Okubumbujja kitegeeza ki? What does this mean in English? Okubumbujja, omuntu wagamba lwaki obumbujja nnyo? Why is that place okubumbujja? Are we together? So okubumbujja is blazing in fire. Blazing in fire. For instance, the house is burning up. Ennyumba ebumbujja omuliro. Also, some people can use it in referring to someone who is rude. Omuntu oyo abumbujja nnyo. So that guy is so blazing in fire. If someone tells you, why are you blazing in fire? Lwaki obumbujja nnyo? Nti kitegeeza oli owanda ebigambo oba oli mukambwe nnyo. You are blazing in fire. Okubumbujja. Obumbujja nnyo. So okubumbujja, it means to blaze in fire. Hope we are together. Kikafuwe. 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 Kikafuwe sigenda kikola ekintu ekyo. God forbid I'm not doing that thing. God forbid. God forbid, I'm not doing that thing. Chikafuwe, sigenda kola chintu ekyo. So, this is God forbid. Chikafuwe mu Luganda. Teeka. Enteeka. Teeka. Enteekateeka. Enteekateeka. Kitegeeza ki mu lulimi Oluganda? Enteekateeka yaki? Enteekateeka, this means preparation. Preparations. Preparation. For example, how are the preparations? Oteeseteesa otya? Enteekateeka eri etya? So preparations is enteekateeka. Nga bwe mba nnyonnyodde nti if someone says enteekateeka y'eki ekintu eri ki? What are the preparations for that event? Tuli ffenna tweyongereyo. Okutama-tama. 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 Omuntu atama-tama. Omuntu ng'atama-tama. Kitegeeza ki? Meandering in speech. Meander in speech. Someone is saying out something, but it's not clicking up. Someone is saying out words, but they are not connecting. So, atama-tama. Ebigambo byayogera, atama-tama, butami-tami. Okubayita to meander in speech. Otama-tama. What you are saying out is not clicking out, or it's not giving out sense. So, otama-tama munjogerayo. Okay, let's proceed. Now, obuvunaanyizibwa. 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 Obuvunaanyizibwa, what does it mean in English? Obuvunaanyizibwa kitegeeza responsibility. Someone is responsible. Responsibility. Obuvunaanyizibwa. Obuvunaanyizibwa. Responsibility. An example, I am responsible for my family. Nina obuvunaanyizibwa bwa family yange. So obuvunaanyizibwa kitegeeza someone who is responsible towards something. He has responsibility to perform that duty. Alina obuvunaanyizibwa obw'ekyo ekintu. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope now you know the longest words in English and Luganda. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Welaba.